Hi lovely people, have a good day to all of you. I'm Silent Solomon and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here in Edible Garden at Chinese Garden. So here we go guys, stay with me, enjoy watching my videos as I brought to you the amazing and beautiful place, Chinese Garden. Hi guys, today I'm here in Edible Garden. It's going inside now guys. This is in Chinese Garden guys, at Juronglakegardens. Hi guys, this is Kitchen Garden. The Kitchen Garden showcases an edible landscape that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. A diverse selection of edible and ornamental flowers. Ornamental flowering plants are combined for visual color, form, shape, and texture, and to attract beneficial fauna like pollinators. There is a basil, tomatoes, rice body herb.
Okinawan spinach.
What? Rat-tailed radish? What? This is the first time I saw this plant. Porcelain. Awesome. This is so cute. It's amazing. And this is for salad, guys. And that is cranberry hibiscus. Wow. Longevity spinach. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Yeah, there is a sweet potato, guys. And that's lady's finger or okra. An eggplant. And this is Malabar spinach. This is all fresh and healthy. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. This is another type of sweet potato, guys. That's what they call Harmonious. There's another purple sweet potato, guys, and lady's finger. Oh, this is chili padi. It's so beautiful. The fruit is really a lot of colors. There is purple and red. It's amazing. It's another lady's finger, but the fruit is quite long. It's a basil. And a purple lady's finger. This is nature's pharmacy. Balloon vine? Wow, that's amazing. It's beautiful, guys. This is fresh and healthy vegetables, guys. That's a beautiful eggplant. This is tamarind. Wow, this is so cute. This is cola plant. Beverage and desserts. Wow. This is Job's tears. Oh, this is long bean, guys, but it's a red long bean. There's a lot of sweet potato here. And kangkong. It's another lady's finger. It's beautiful, guys. It's beautiful, guys.
Guys, follow me.
Garden, Chinese garden, Singapore.
It's beautiful, guys. And that's what they call outdoor kitchen. The outdoor kitchen is where the garden to kitchen concept is put into practice. This is the place within the edible garden where the community can share, demonstrate, and learn from one another on how edible plants can be made into delicious dishes. That's amazing. And this is called root garden. The root garden showcases plants that have edible below ground storage organs. Not everything that is hidden under the soil surface is a root. These storage organs are survival adaptation when environment conditions are adverse. The aerial parts of these plants die. The below ground organs contains energy and water reserves, keeping the plants alive until conditions are favorable for them to grow again. Yeah, so this is, guys. And guys, this is a climbergarden. Climbing plants produce long stems that require a support to grow, also that they can expose their aerial parts to sunlight to carry out photosynthesis in this garden. So this is all the climbergarden, guys. This is called Indian snake gourd. Hi guys, this is winter melon. Yeah, that's really beautiful and amazing. And this is called pumpkin. That's so beautiful. There is the pumpkin on the top, guys, and it's crawling. Yeah, that's pumpkin. Yeah. Yeah, look at the pumpkin, guys. And that is called smooth loafa. It's a very yummy vegetables. Yeah, look at those, guys. That's on the top, and this is on the railings. The loafa is climbing up on the top. It's beautiful. This is also a loafa, but I think this is a rough loafa. Yeah, look at that, guys. As you can see this on the shop. It's beautiful. And this is called the edible garden, guys, at Chinese garden at Juronglakegardens. This Chinese garden is actually newly reopened after 5 years of renovation. So it's beautiful, guys. Yeah, look at these beans, guys. I think this is snow peas. It's actually hyacinth beans. Yeah, it's really beautiful and amazing, guys. Yeah, this is the long bean, guys. Hi guys, thank you for watching my videos. I hope that you will help me to support and subscribe my channel. Hit the notification bell for more videos updates. See you guys in my next vlog. Have a God bless day, everyone. Bye guys, take care. I love you.